This video is good through March 14th, 2010. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. This is the weekend edition. And the markets ended up for the week, and financials were very, very strong for the week, but then tapered off. Hold on to your hat because we're going to be moving very fast here. So follow along with the best of technical analysis here on the internet. And if I don't say so myself. Anyway, here we are. We're looking at the S&P daily, a rising wedge type area, but we keep smashing that ceiling, keep going higher and higher, but we're at a major resistance point at 1150, and on the daily on Friday we closed right at 1150. You just can't get any closer than that. If we blow it up, really look at it quite closely, we have what's called a hanging man reversal pattern. Hanging man is a hammer. A hammer is when the lower shadow is 2 times or more that of the body with little to no upper shadow. Precisely what we have right here. So we do have a hanging man reversal pattern, which is a bearish reversal pattern. And look where we close. We close lower than this resistance line. Right here, resistance. Come over here. We gapped up and then closed down below it. Not overly great. Check this out. Let's move down here to the MACD. We blow this up. Look at the negative tick on the MACD histogram. That is no good. That confirms a crossover taking place here. I'm using the filter 5, 9, and 2. And I don't like that at all. We are up. Can you say overextended? Let's go to the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart. And here on the weekly, check this out. We have a couple trend lines coming up. We're in the confines of an uptrend. We busted up through most major averages, which is very good. We still have the 200 lumbering down here that could act as resistance if we get up that high. But the question is, can we get up that high? We rallied back north, but look at this, right at major resistance. That major resistance area is going to, give the markets a lot of trouble. The question is will we drop from here? If we do drop from here, that could be the makings of a double top trend reversal pattern. And if you have that on the big weekly, bad news for the markets. After all, we've been going up 12 months in a row, and let me show that to you right here on the monthly. Here's the monthly. Look at this, just straight up above most major moving averages, above the 200-month moving average, above the 20, but the 100-month moving average acting as resistance. I also drew a resistance line coming across. You can see this where we acted as resistance. We come here, resistance. Now that resistance became support. We busted down through resistance or support, and now it's acting as resistance once again. Gang, big time resistance area. And we do have on the MACD on the monthly, check this out, we had a big negative tick a couple months ago. Then we come over a slight up, and now we're up yet again. Right now we have a high base starting to look like it's going to pop. But if you're going to get a fake out, it usually happens on the second bar, and it will actually come down. So I think if the markets do reverse on us next week, we're going to get the beginnings of a fake out, and actually we'll just get an upper shadow here finishing out the month. But boy, if we stay strong, it's going to take a lot more volume coming into the markets than what we're seeing. While we're here, let's also take a look at the Dow. Here is the Dow. We're at this resistance area. We're not even quite up there yet, but this is going to be a tough area to get past here. And so anyway, it's just something we're going to have to watch out. And I want to bring over the weekly. And here we are on the weekly. I mean, check this out. We run up, smash our head. We come right back down. We come up, we smash our head on it. Let's blow this up so we can really see it. Big resistance, precisely where we're at. And we have those wicks though that did make it up here to these higher levels. The question is, can we get up there? And if we do get up there, will we retrace like those 2 weeks did? Let's look here at the monthly Dow. I drew 2 major trend lines here. You can see this resistance, 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 support. We come across. That's going to be a big time resistance area right here. And let's see, that will put us around 10,800 area. And then we have a support area down here right around just right at 10,000. So this is going to be an area consolidation. If we can continue to consolidate and then bust up through that area, that would be very bullish. But again, we need some nice volume to confirm that movement. Let me show you something that I like and dislike, and that has to do with the NASDAQ. And right here, NASDAQ's making an 18-month high. I mean, just huge run. Very nice. But can you say overextended? For the daily, we've gone up 1, 2, 3, 4, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I mean, it's like 11 days going straight up. And here you have what type of reversal pattern at the top? You have a hanging man reversal pattern. So this is looking like it's wanting to pull back. It is far overdue for a pullback. You'd have some nice support right here at the 2320 area, which would be nice. But anyway, we had a very nice run here, but check out the MACD down here. Big negative tick. It's telling us is markets are wanting to roll over. And we do have the V newsletter I'm working on this week. We got some great trade setups, and can't wait to share those with you subscribers. And also for all you mentor students, Monday night is our webinar. It's our support time where we're going to come up and tear apart charts and get into some great stuff. And anyway, don't want to leave anybody out. What we do is on a weekly basis, we have support mentorship times where all the mentor students can come in and be part of a webinar that we talk about what's happening right now in the markets, and we talk about trades, talk about rules, talk about trading. Anyway, we do have a mentorship coming up, 3 days. It's a 3-day mentorship. It's on March 27th, 28th, and 29th. It's a Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's actually next weekend, and we'd love to have you be a part of that. The mentorship includes a free V newsletter for a full year, gives you access to us for life, and it also gives you a free webinar each and every Monday to help you with your trading. So it's just an ongoing lifetime mentorship, and that's what you get with us. So if you want to be a part, and a little side note here, gang, we got a brand new website coming. It is a super cool, very robust, huge website. It will dwarf this current website. It is a monster. It is great. You're going to love this thing. So I'm just telling you right now, mentor prices will be going up. This is the last time mentor prices will be at this level. This is the last time. I'm giving everyone fair warning right now. If you want to know more about mentoring, just go to services, click on services, and leave us your name and email address, and we'll get you an invite for a free webinar on Tuesday night, and that's where it's called Meet the Mentor. Both myself and Matador will be on there to introduce ourselves, and also another mentor we just brought on, a Forex mentor and an analyst that I think you'll like. So Tuesday night, hope to see you there. Take care, everyone. Safe trading to each and every one of you, and I got to get on the V newsletter now. And I can't not say this. Listen, I got an email from a brilliant trader. He's a student of ours, doing very well, and he's slapping himself on the hand right now, and he's saying, listen, I am looking too much for hype, and the hype is killing me. I gotta quit watching Kramer. I gotta quit watching Fast Money, because I get caught up in that hype, and I'm making trades that don't go with the rules that he's been taught in the mentorship. And he's slapping his own hands. He came clean with us by sending us an email, and it's a good way to stay on the up and up with yourself to keep you from breaking rules. It's that confession time. And so anyway, a little tidbit for each and every one of you. You got to go beyond hype, go beyond the tips and tricks and that you get from other people. What you want to do is simply this: learn the very best and get the very best of trading education, and learn how to trade like a superstar.